Hello, good morning guys. Eat po tayo ng breakfast. I have 2 egg. 1, 2. And then, 1 banana. Banana is good for the belly. And egg. So, kain tayo guys. Boiled egg. Hard boiled egg.